there! Welcome to the chicken coop. I wanted to show you a little bit about our chickens here at the farm and also show you how I take care of them. First of all, we're gonna learn about what chickens are like. So this here is Lefty. She's one of our old ladies here in the coop. And I wanna show you what's going on with her. So Lefty has these cool feet. They're really scaly. She's got these spurs on the back of her feet. The bigger the spur, the older the chicken. So you can see that she's got old spurs. Lefty has a beak for eating seeds and bugs and vegetables. She has a comb. Different chickens have different kinds of combs, and she has this nice little short one. She has this little wattle as well. Lefty likes to use her feet to roost, so she'll grab my fingers just like that. And I can show you that she's got these wings for flying or flapping. And she usually has tail feathers too. But right now, in the fall, our chickens are molting, which means that she's losing her feathers to grow new ones for winter. All right, let's go check out the rest of the coop. I have to give the chickens food and fresh water. The food is the main thing they eat, but they also eat all kinds of vegetables and fruits and things they find in the garden. For their food, I take their container and I get out any bark or straw that they threw in it the day before. They like to kick around. And then I come over to their bucket and I give them a scoop of food. All right. With their fresh food ready, I take these water containers and I dump out the old water. When it's hot, they like to stand inside, and so it gets pretty dirty. This will also water the plants that keep our chickens cool. All right, Emily, turn on our water. Another part of my chicken chores is cleaning out their bath. Chickens bathe in dirt. So I have this tub full of loose dirt that helps keep them clean and cool. As you can see, Mochi over here is pretty dirty from her dust bath earlier. This is their coop, which is like their house. They spend a lot of time playing in their yard, but whenever it's cold or too hot, just like you and I, they go inside. You come inside. They have roosts for sleeping. They sleep standing up. They have their nest boxes. We'll check those out in a minute. Looks like eggs inside. And just a nice, shady, cool shelter for them to be in. I also have to collect their eggs every day. I open their nest box, I hook it up, and I see what's inside. We have white eggs, and we have brown eggs, and we have blue eggs. Might be a little hard to tell, but it's blue. I'll put these inside and we can eat them later. Once the coop is cleaned and the chickens are fed, it's their favorite time of the day to explore the garden. I let them out almost every single day